in this video, we're going to look at the basics of differentiation and introduction to differentiation. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to understand the basics of differentiation. So guys, ensure you stay with me till the very end of this video because we're going to learn a lot. So before we dive into the details of this video, let's quickly take notes of a few points. Now, another term for differentiation is derivative. You see that you say differentiation or you say what? Derivative. So don't be confused with both terms. They mean the same thing. Now, it's important again that you know that a derivative, we have levels of it. We have first derivative, we have second derivative, we have third derivative in that order. Now, also know that the essence of differentiation is to measure the rate of change of a quantity or a variable. So having known this, let's go ahead and solve some problems. Okay, we're going to start from a very simple problem. So let's say we are asked to differentiate a constant 3. Now, note that whenever I ask to differentiate a constant is simply a number without a variable attached to it. It does not have like x or y attached to that number. It's just a real number. Whenever I ask to differentiate a constant like 3, 4, 5, any constant at all, is usually what 0. Is a rule, guys. So take note of it. Whenever you have to differentiate a constant in calculus, know that it will be 0. That's the rule or law that is applied to it. Okay, so having known that of constants, now let's do the one that involves variable. Okay, let's say it has to differentiate 2x. It has to find the value over dx of this function. Now, guys, know that another term for first derivative is divided by dx. You see that you have to find the first derivative, or you have to find divided by dx or y prime. This is how it's represented, y prime. So the three things mean the same thing. Either you say first derivative, or you say divided by dx, or you say y prime. The three things mean the same thing, guys. So don't be confused with these languages. Okay, so having known that, differentiate 2x. Now, the idea behind differentiation is to reduce the power of x by 1. So in this, it will be, since we want to reduce the power of x by 1, remember, this x is a variable, and it has power. The power here is 1. So you reduce it by 1. That's minus 1. At the same time, this power of x will come to the back of this value, these 2, and multiply it. So when you solve it, your final answer will be 2x raised to power 0. And in indices, the law of indices, one of the laws of indices states that any number raised to power 0 or any value raised to power 0 is 1. So our final answer will be, since x raised to power 0 will be 1, will be 2 times 1, which will give us what, 2. It's as simple as that, guys. Okay, so let's look at another problem. Let's say we are given this function. Oh, this time around, let me use, okay, 2x raised to power 3. What will be the derivative, the first derivative of y prime? So it's very simple, guys. So here, what you do is, for the principle, it will be 2x. Remember, we're looking for y prime. Y prime will be 2x. The power is 3 minus 1. At the same time, this power comes to the back of these 2 and multiply the 2. So your final answer will now be 3 times 2 give you what, 6x. This 3 minus 1 give you what, 2. So guys, this will be our final answer. That's simple as that, guys. So now let's look at another example. Let's say we are given this example, this polynomial. We're given 3x raised to power 3 plus 4x squared minus 5x, and we're asked to find the second derivative, which is y double prime. Now note that in differentiation, another term for second derivative is y double prime, or the 2y over dx2. So the three terms mean the same thing. So to go ahead and solve this problem, guys, very simple. That means we have to differentiate twice. So let's firstly find the first derivative. So dy over dx of this function will be, so as usual, guys, it will be 9x square. Remember, how I got 9 is that, remember, this, you must subtract 1 from this power. At the same time, this 3 will come and multiply the 3 here. So that's why I got this 9. 9x square plus, so this one will give us what? To give us 8x minus 1 here. Then times these 2 will come and multiply this 4 here. That there you will have 8x. Okay. Then minus, we have what? 5. So how I got 5, remember this minus 5x here. This x has an invisible power which is 1. Subtract 1 from it and we have 0. X to the power 0 give you 1. So 5 times 1 will give you 5. So it's as simple as that. So this is the first derivative. So now let's find the 2y over dx2, the 2y over dx2 will be, the second derivative, the final answer will be, differentiate this once more. So guys, by now you should have known how to do it. It will now be 18x, okay, plus 8. That will be our final answer, guys. How I got 18? Subtract this power, subtract 1 from it, right? Then come here, at the same time, this power come and multiply this 9 here. That's how I got this 2 times 9, 18x. Then plus, the same thing is applicable here. The power here is what? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. X to the power 0 will give you 1. 8 times 1 will give you 8. Then when you differentiate a constant, minus 5 will give you 0. So our final answer to this problem is 18x plus 8. So guys, this is the basis of differentiation. This is the general principle. In the subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to apply the various rules of differentiation, of which we have product rule, we have change rule, we have quotient rule, and the rest of them. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.